a standard feature video. Today, we look at Rolls-Royce, which has announced its designs on India on the back of a new launch. The undisputed mark in super luxury cars, Rolls-Royce recently added a third brand to its existing lineup of the Phantom and the Ghost called the Wraith that will be sold from next month. By 2014, it plans to launch an Indian edition Rolls-Royce based on either the Ghost or the Phantom, much like the special editions that China has seen. But compared to China, India is still a small market for the company. However, for cars that start from Rs 4 crore, Rolls-Royce is on course to achieve the 100 crore sales target this calendar year, unfazed by the beleaguered auto industry. The General Manager of Emerging Markets Asia had said earlier, "We continue to remain on course to achieving our targets in India." While Rolls-Royce does not usually give out numbers, it has been reported to have sold 250 cars since its official Indian entry in 2005. Aston Martin, another ultra-lux and coveted competitor, has been selling over 30 units a year. The ratio of sales of the Rolls-Royce Phantom priced above Rs 6 crore to the lower priced Ghost at Rs 4.3 crore is 1:4. The sporty two-door Wraith Coupe is built to appeal to owner-drivers rather than be used as a chauffeur-driven ride. The Ghost's 6.6-litre engine that churns out 246 bhp is topped with an 8-speed ZF automatic gearbox that arms the Wraith with acceleration fit for an enthusiast. Backed with a Starry Night roof and the Magic Carpet Ride air suspension, the car at Rs 4.6 crore has room for customization like its other two cousins. In true luxury marketing style, Rolls-Royce invites customers to participate in the bespoke journey before their car's delivery. The General Manager says India is the most important market for the company in Asia. The company is willing to look beyond the metros, with its number of dealers being the highest in South and Southeast Asia. The company has one dealership each in Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, and the latest in Ahmedabad, and will open one in Chandigarh. He adds that the purported Indian edition may be launched in 2014, but the earlier the better. That's all for now. Please join us later for more news and updates. Thank you.